AI is making regular people rich in 2025, but most don't know how to use it to make money. Today, I'll show you 5 easy AI side hustles that you can start right now to earn money from home. Let's go! Businesses are throwing money at automation to save time. You can set up AI chatbots, automated emails and workflow systems, and charge clients big money. How to start? Use tools like Zapier, Make.com, and ChatGPT, and offer services on Fiverr or Upwork. Most people struggle with AI because they don't know how to prompt it properly. That's where you come in. How to start? Learn effective AI prompting and sell pre-made prompts on PromptBase, or consult businesses on AI optimization. AI can create ebooks, blog posts, and digital art in minutes, and people are paying for it. How to start? Use ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for art, and Runway AI for videos, then sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or social media. You don't need to show your face to make YouTube money. AI can generate scripts, voiceovers, and even full videos for you. How to start? Use ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for AI voices, and Pictory for video creation. Then monetize on YouTube. AI-powered trading bots are making passive income for smart investors. How to start? Learn about AI trading bots like Trade Ideas or Algo Trader, and automate your investments. AI is changing the game, and early adopters are making bank. Which AI side hustle would you start? Drop a comment and follow for more